the midnight light. Wisdom I shine like the moon so bright. Them think me weak, but me strong, me fight. Them think me lost, but me find my side. Crown of fire by me head it blaze, guidance strong in a righteous ways. Crown of fire, Jah know it raise, for the ones who seek the ancient praise. Crown of fire by me head it blaze, guidance strong in a righteous ways. Crown of fire, Jah know it raise, for the ones who seek the ancient praise. My heart a drum, it beats so true. The river flow like the skies them blue. Babylon want chain my soul, me know, but my spirit free, me push on through. Them can't stop the roots we grow. Them can't stop the seeds me sow. Crown of fire by me head it blaze, guidance strong in a righteous ways. Crown of fire, Jah know it praise, for the ones who seek the ancient praise. The mountain tall, but me climb it still. The valley deep, but me find my will. Every storm will come, me conquer chill. Jah Love the armor, my soul can't kill. My soul can't kill. They partner up, but me still I got trade. With the fire in my heart and Jah words me spread. The mountain high, but me not go dread. The journey long, but me not turn me head. Mount Zion step and me not stop climb. Each step me make it, I take me to divine. Mount Zion step and me walk the line. With the most high guidance, me a shine. Them think me weak, but me roots them strong. Me spirit firm like a ancient song. The wind them blow, but me still hold on. Me chant for the truth till Babylon gone. Rise up, rise up. Say rise again. The storm can't stop the power within. Mount Zion stepper, me not stop climb. Each step me make that take me to divine. Mount Zion stepper, me walk the line. With the most high guidance, me a shine. Trot on the rock where the ancients pray. Me hear them voice, them a show me the way. The lion roar, the in the ancient ground. The lion roar where the truth be found. Wisdom rise, make the fools confound. Rise up, you hear the sound. Zion calling, the fire blaze high. Jah light guide me under the sky. Lion of the tribe, we are chant for the king. Lion of the tribe, make the freedom ring. Lion of the tribe, hear the heartbeat sing. Lion of the tribe, the victory bring. Man walk straight on the righteous lane, but Babylon try to shackle the chain. Them nah know the power of Jah name. Still we trod on through the fire, through the flame. Them think we weak, but we strong like stone. Them think we lost, but we find Jah throne. Lion rise, make the wicked them mourn. Earthquake, thunder, we spirit them on. Lion and for the king. Lion of the tribe, make the freedom ring. Lion of the tribe, hear the heartbeat sing. Lion of the tribe, the victory bring. The Riddim a road like the waves on the sea. Chant for the lion, make the wicked flee. Them build the walls, but Jah tear them free. Babylon falling, can't hold me key. Rasta man chanting down, chanting down the light. Fire upon the wicked, make the truth arise. Chanting down, to the sky so high. Chanting down, Jah guide me stay. Make me spirit fly. Roots in the earth, but me reach for the star. The journey long, but me can't stay far. Them want me stumble, them want me scar, but Jah light a blaze, make me shine like tar. Make them talk, make them real. Truth still say, truth can't feel. Rasta man chanting down, chanting down the light. Fire burn the wicked, make the truth arise. Chanting down, to the sky so high. Jah guide me stay, make me spirit fly. Yeah, yeah. The hills I will climb, the rivers I will cross. Me trod through the fire, but my soul can't lost. Them can't take my crown, them can't take my power. Jah time I call, the trumpet blast. is reaching for touch Jah life. Fruit a bear for the soul's delight. Tree of life it grow and grow. Through the storm it sway but never bow. Pick up your burden, let it flow. Deeper you dig, the higher you go. Them say the leaf for the healers and high dance for the lost in Babylon land. This up it flow like a sacred psalm. Heart a beat to the drums command. Every lead for story untold. Every root a secret unfold. Tree of life it grow and grow. Through the storm it sway but never bow. Pick up your burden, let it flow. Deeper you dig, the higher you go. Them can't cut it down and stifle divine. Ancient wisdom live in every line. Trod on the path where the righteous climb. Jah light shine bright, make your soul align.
Under the banyan tree, ma find my soul. Roots dig deep, where the stories unfold. They heard she whisper, say my heart stay on. A true love, make the fire roll. Me not forget where me come from. Me not forget the Jah plan. Roots of me love, them grow so tall. Stand up strong, now make me fall. Roots of me love, the heart me call. Jah guide me step through it all. Chop down the tree me be. Branches spread wide like the deep blue sea. My spirit nah break, nah bend, nah flee. My heart beat strong like a lion free. Me nah forget where me come from. Me nah forget the Jah plan. Roots of me love, them grow so tall. Stand up strong, nah make me fall. Roots of me love, the heart me call. Jah guide me steps through it all. The night can't last forever, no. The dark can't hide the truth, you know. Just sun rise up, fish shine and show. Them chains are break like them never hold. Zion morning light. Oh, we rise up strong.
Zion morning light.
Zion morning light. The journey not too long.
Not too long.
Step by step we try. To the land we belong.
Zion morning light.
Zion morning light. Jah guide me all along. The system build walls, me climb them tall. Babylon can't stop the righteous call. Me heart beat drum, me spirit stand tall. me say forward, never back at all. Me say the fire burn, me say the fire bright. Inna the darkness, we are find the light. Aye, aye. Zion morning light. Oh, we rise up strong.
Zion morning light.
Zion morning light. The journey not too long.
Not too long.
Step by step we trod to the land we belong.
Zion morning light.
Zion morning light. Jah guide me all along. Them say the road rough, me say the road blessed. Jah give me strength to take the test. Me soul now weary, me spirit now stress. Zion morning call me, me can't rest. Ah, na, 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 na. Me they are in the silence. The breeze attack me through. The mountains say keep climbing. The valley say pass through. Me spirit say hold steady. The fire can't get blue. Who gon' hear the whisper when the storm a show low too? Voice in the wilderness. Who I go listen now? Cry for the forgotten. Stand firm, can't bow. Echoes in the shadow. Roots a break the ground. Voice in the wilderness. Still carry the song. Them say me smile like the grain, but me grow into tree. Them say me last in the rain, but me float on the sea. Them say my words them soft, but them strong like the key. Unlock the chains of Babylon, set the captive free. Jah light a guide me, me nah go stray. Even when the night I try to take the day. Voice in the wilderness. Oh, I go listen now. Cry for the forgotten. Stand firm, can't bow. Echoes in the shadow. Roots I break the ground. Voice in the wilderness. Still carry the song. Oh, them now see the lion, but him walk beside me step. Them now hear the thunder, but it roll deep in my chest. Me nah need the crown, me nah need the crest. The truth of the banner, the love of the quest. The rhythm flow like river wide. Under the moon, Jah light the guide. The earth she speak her ancient cry. Roots deep down where spirits The Rook rise up on the morning breeze, whisper wisdom to the ancient trees. Selassie I them see the mysteries are true. From the book them truths unfold. Gold and fire, stories untold. Babylon tremble them strong. So Rook a revelation, stand up tall. Jah wisdom echo through it all. Them not break, them not stall. Rook a revelation, hear Jah call. A revelation, stand up tall. Jah wisdom echo through it all. Them not break, them not stall. Rook a revelation, hear Jah call. Yeah. Them write the lies, but the ink not stay. Truth go through like the lion spray. Babylon shadow can't block Jah ray. The mountain chant in a silent tone. Heartbeat steady like a Nyabinghi drone. Righteous soldier, them now walk alone. Zion light pan the horizon glow. The truth a river, make it flow. Stand up tall, Jah wisdom echo through it all. Them not break, them not stall. Book a revelation, hear Jah call. A revelation, stand up tall. Jah wisdom echo through it all. Them not break, them not stall. Book a revelation, hear Jah call. But spirit still born. Freedom drumbeat, hear the sound. From the ashes the phoenix reborn. The rhythm talk to the soul within. Life a circle, it never end nor begin.